Hello and welcome to the e-classes of Ambuja Public School. Today in our English class we will be doing lesson number 6 from unit 6 of class 4 Marigold English textbook. The title of the lesson is The Milkman's Cow and its theme is kindness and compassion. Dear children, the meaning of compassion is to recognize the suffering of others and then take action to help. Compassion embodies a tangible expression of love for those who are suffering. In this story, you will be able to understand what is the actual meaning of compassion. This story is written by author Vidya Pradhan. Vidya Pradhan is a freelance writer based in Fremont, California. Her previous stories, The Milkman's Cow and The Backwards Genie, have won awards from the Children's Book Trust. She hosts a weekly quiz show for children at Radio Zindagi in Fremont and is a volunteer with the Alameda County Library to read and introduce books to school children. This story, The Milkman Cow, has various interesting characters. One of them is a milkman, another is a policeman, next is the wrestler, a grocer, and an ice cream man. The story begins with the milkman and his cow. It was a bright summer's day. Everyone was busy with their morning work. Some children were playing in the nearby field. The milkman was taking his cow to the nearby pond for a bath. The cow was looking very tired. The milkman gave the cow a quick bath and then they started walking home. The milkman was in a hurry. The cow was feeling very hungry. It mooed loudly, moo, moo, but the milkman did not listen to it. Dear children, what do you think? Is the milkman doing the right thing? What do you think the cow will do now? Let's proceed to know what happens next. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. The milkman begged the cow to get up and said that the children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. He pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. It was not in a mood to move at all. Along came a policeman. His buttons and buckles were gleaming bright on his uniform. He said, twirling his long mustache, "I'll show you how to do it right." The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came a wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. He said, "I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fun." The wrestler, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed the cow, but still it was not ready to move. Next comes a grocer to help them all. But the situation remains the same. That means the cow did not move. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart, trundling down the street. Cool down, cool down. It can be too hard for you, but not for me. The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, along with the milkman, everyone tried to move the cow. But all their efforts were in vain. One of the little boy was watching them struggling to move the cow. He understood the entire situation and decided to help them. He held out a sheaf of tasty green grass and gave it to the cow. The cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side, for he knew what to do. This little boy has learnt in school that humans eat rice and wheat, but animals especially the cows, eat green grass. Enjoying the tasty green grass, the cow happily followed him. Looking at this, the grocer clapped, the policeman twirled his stick in joy, the wrestler grinned, the ice cream man whooped, that means cried out with joy at the cleverness of the little boy. The milkman happily clattered his pail and said, being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. So, dear children, the moral of the story is kindness is the real strength. In the story, we have seen that even after applying so much of strength and force, no one was able to move the cow. But this little boy did it very easily because he showed kindness and understood what actually was required to move the cow from that road. Dear children, always remember that kindness is strength. It costs nothing to give but is always a valuable feeling for the other person. Being kind can strengthen our relationship and gives us a sense of satisfaction in life. Tenderness and kindness are not the signs of weakness and despair. Instead, these are the manifestations of strength and courage. So always try to be kind and compassionate. Now, let us look at the new words. Milkman means a person who delivers milk. Mood means feeling. Middle means center. Refuse means to show that one is not willing to do something. Tugged means pulled something hard. Policeman is a male member of a police force. A grocer is a person who sells food and small household goods. Wrestler is a person who takes part in wrestling. Prayed means wish to God. Ice cream is a sweet frozen food made with milk and cream. Sheaf is a bundle of grain stalks. Whooped means cried loudly with joy. And clattered means sound made by the falling of objects. I hope all of you have understood the lesson well along with the word meanings. This is all for today. We'll meet you soon again. Till then, thank you and take care.